Hey guys, welcome back. What I wanted to do is just check. I've been trying to see when the market will be closed today because it's Easter Friday. So I am trying to find it. My broker doesn't tell me. So I want to see the market's still open. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna look like we're gonna have much time because it seems like the market is closing very soon. Okay, but anyways, what I'll do is I'll still continue the stream and we'll go through what obviously what transpired so far. So we'll just go along with it. And yeah, if market close, we'll just go through what happened in NFP and some future levels for next week. All right, so let's go 15 minutes. Let's go 1 minute. Trade. So as you guys can see, I had a trade or limit order right there in this fair value gap. Only problem was I didn't get picked up. Not sure why. Just missed it. What me as it may, it's one of those things. I'll take this off and then we'll see. Okay, so this is already there, so this would have been a good trade just for the put a stop there, and 221 is right here. So it would have been a quick and easy trade, but didn't get picked up there, and yeah, so let's see. And there we go, guys. Market is closed now, unfortunately. So we're not going to trade today, but what we can do is we can go through what happened, what's expected, and so on. So this might be just a little bit of a short stream, and on that will be it, unfortunately. Right, so currently I've looked at the daily chart, obviously in preparation for the NFP today. We've had this fair value gap up here. This is a daily chart, and we expected price to obviously retrace back into there, and then expect some sort of short. The problem was we create a new fair value gap just below it, and price is currently stuck between two fair value gaps. So what can we expect? So I'm expecting that price maybe next week gets stuck between this, and or I thought today with NFP we might have seen some sort of a spike into these equal highs and then pull back in here. That is a big move, so maybe that's not going to happen. So we are still right within this fair value gap, so we would want to see what happens on Monday. Today is a short day, and Monday will be a full day, so we could see some sort of a gap maybe, or some aggressive movement on Monday to catch up. But I'm still bearish, and the bearishness comes from the swing point here and this break of structure here, this big momentum down, pretty strong momentum pulling back, which is normally a reversal. I don't think this is a reversal, and I don't think we're going to go higher than, you know, these liquidities up here. So if we want to, you know, go higher, these equal highs here and then come back down, or we just go sideways here and then travel lower. We are in a bearish, not momentum, seasonality for Nasdaq, so it is common for it to sell off this time of year, this month and the month we're currently in. So we might see these levels, this level's been taken out already, then we can expect this level, and this equal low here is 50% of this bigger range, which is you know, a good level for price to get to if it wants to bounce and go higher. So that's what we can expect. Don't think there's much we can do today. And yeah, just to recap, basically I'll go to the 1 minute now. I just wanted to show what I'm expecting from a daily perspective. If we go 15 minutes, I did look at the candle here. We've got this as equal highs. This high here took these out, so I'm not taking that in account. I'm looking for this liquidity. So this is not going to happen today. Market's closed, but this could happen on Monday. I mean, we could see a gap up and then come down. But obviously the concern is we're stuck between these two fair value gaps on the daily, and we are consolidating up here. So consolidation, we want to see manipulation. This NFP wick did not take out any liquidity here, and one thing you all must remember now, this NFP high is a very, very strong catalyst for liquidity. And this is the reason why. So on the 1 minute, this thing aggressively pushed higher, making people think we're going long. So people were taking longs here, and then we see this aggressive pullback. So there's a lot of people trapped in this wick, and the market sells off. People would have put their stops below there and here, so we obviously ran all this lows. And now the market's closed. Now the market could, you know, gap up for those who took a short here. So this was a good short to take here to these lows down here, this little equal lows there. And that's it, done for the day, you're out. Some people did not close their positions. So I will not be surprised to see some sort of movement up, take this high out, but that right above that is equal highs. So I would look Monday to see if we can get price above here and look for a short to take it lower. Gosh. Closed. Anything that you guys want me, that's on the stream right now, that you want me to run through or take you guys through it? Or, I mean, if there's nothing else, there's no activity here. There is one thing I will keep an eye on this weekend. And I don't know if it's open now, but it will be Bitcoin. And I'll show you guys. Bitcoin. So I'm going to make I know it's probably closed now. So now I've drawn a line there. What I do from time to time, I look at what Bitcoin is doing over the weekend. If this thing sells off and by Sunday we're around here, it's a very good chance that Nasdaq will gap down when the market's open. But if this thing runs higher, okay, then, well, there's a good time chance that we might gap up and then sell off. So I'm always keeping an eye on, and I'm not saying Bitcoin is correlating 100% with Nasdaq, but there are times that I think it's worth keeping an eye. I mean, I don't trade Bitcoin, but I mean, this is quite clear for me. Anybody who was equal highs, I know I'm deviating from here, but I just thought I'll share that with you guys. And there's your fair value gap. Price could go in there on the weekend and then sell off. But and obviously from that swing to that, that's within your 50%, as you guys can see. So that's a very good catalyst to see. So the market's still open for Bitcoin though. So I'll keep an eye on the weekend to see what Bitcoin does. If it's stuck here, okay, then we'll pretty open where we closed on the Nasdaq. If we run something here and drop, that will be slightly different. All right, let's see if there's any questions. If there's any questions, guys, I'm unfortunately gonna tell you guys to go have a good weekend, and yeah, and then we'll catch up again on Monday. I'll set up the new live stream sessions for Monday, and then we can take it from there. Thanks for joining the shortest stream ever. Right, guys, if that's it, I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for joining. Thanks for hopping on. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Be safe. And yeah, till we speak again. Bye-bye.